All right, so I'm about to take these guys for a walk. It is hot out there, so I don't think we're going to get very far, but we're going to give it a shot. There was a bunch of kids sleeping under the floor. Okay. Where are we going? Let's go this way. The thing that helps with the walk is that it's windy. So in spite of the heat, it doesn't feel as bad unless you're in the direct sunlight, like right this second. It's really hot. Where are we going now? What the heck is going on around here? Somebody spilt something. Anyway, it's nice out in spite of the heat, but when you're in that direct sunlight, it's really hot. So the wind really helps with the heat. So we're just going a different way today. I try to switch it up. I usually follow them though, but sometimes if they keep going the same way, especially Oliver, he likes to go the same way all the time. I'm like, no, we're not going that way. We got to switch it up. So anyway, I just wanted to do take you guys for a walk video with us. And it is a beautiful day in spite of the wind. Look at that wind. It's going. All right, well, thank you for stopping by the channel, and God bless you all. Peace.